I feel like doing a red lip, and I never feel like doing a red lip because red lips are kind of big and bold, and I like a nude, as we can see from my various other tutorials where I only have a nude lip. So I'm gonna do a neutral-ish eye, but still big and glam, and then we're gonna go in and do the skin and the red lips and just look soft and beautiful, red contrast with seafoam. So that's what we're going with today. So I said that I wanted to do a neutral eye. What I didn't explain is that I've actually already done, hopefully, the look that I'm doing today. I've done it before. I did it in blue, and I didn't record it, and I really liked the way it looked and turned out, so I want to do it again with a neutral. So I'm going to try and explain it, which is essentially a deep, whatever your darkest color, or whatever you're going through the crease, and then you're going to have it lighten up as it goes out, obviously up to the brow bone, and switch palettes, and then a cut crease, a neutral, soft, almost nude lid, and a very shiny, the shiniest you've ever seen in your entire life lid. Your lid will dazzle like it's been photoshopped to be glamorized. It's that kind of shiny. That's what I'm working with. And then it's no wing, it's a blended wing into the crease. It's all very molded into one shape. I really like that shape currently.
Yes.
Tina's and big emotions.
I don't have enough hands!
So if you go into an Andrew Lloyd Webber show,
Okay, so I did the normal cut crease, and then I filled it in with a flesh tone nude, and then I took the growth glitter and added on the outer edge, and then a shiny duochrome from a certain palette into the inner corner, and then I took Hungry Ghost and I patted it up, and put Hungry Ghost all over all of this. This is the growth, in case I didn't fully explain that. Growth, Hungry Ghost, all over the eye. And then the Luna Lash. I didn't put mascara on because I'm forgetful. I'm a forgetful flop. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I'm back to do skin and the red lip, and then we'll be done.
Also just law.
It's also just law.
Law.
Fuck rent. We're gonna do our inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use Hungry Ghost because I like a duochrome, and we're not that weird. I'm debating if I want to do rhinestones under the eye or not. Oh god. It's a thunderstorm out. I just got a notification about the dangers of wandering around outside during a thunderstorm. That isn't the most fun time to go do something dumb and stupid. As when you can take someone else down with you. I'm gonna use a swallowtail under the eye for some reason. It's just I never use this color and it's really speaking to me. I think if I'm at this point, it's June and I'm waiting for a ColourPop package. It seems to be somehow lost in transit between DHL and USPS. So if that doesn't arrive before I'm ready to shoot again, I think some kind of cranberry, like eggplant look, using a swallowtail as the base would probably be the next. Oh, well, that'd probably be the next look. Oh. This is, ooh, 3 O's, an orange color. Ooh, on my hand. And it doesn't really pop off under my eye without the primer, but I'm excited by this color. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I'm excited about it. And isn't that half the battle sometimes when you're working? Oh. using an orange eyeshadow blush because I never thought to invest in a blush before going into lockdown, and now I really prefer to like go into a store when it comes to like blushes like that. So since I can't now, I just gotta wait until we can go back into the store and look at them for ourselves. I'm also trying a new blush brush, trying to get as much like just pure pigment on the brush. Oh, it's green. I need to break these up a little bit more. Oh my goodness. Where's my actual blush brush? That brush was just a little too dense for this because you can tell that my cheeks are quite flushed like I ran a marathon. What's sadness? A sad marathon. A sad marathon. Oh, after this we're gonna do highlight and freckles. Just ooh. This is product for Between the Sheets, ColourPop, Super Shock Chic. It's a matte formula. It's great. It's soft. Yes, it's great today. It's a good day. It's a good day to be me. I'm pretty great. Kind of want to do a video or do my makeup like I used to. Oh, because I was wearing several layers of powder. It's quite cakey. Sharp, contour, cut. And it's like, oh, honey, where are you going like that? It's such a beautiful day out, and I have a light here. Can't really tell, but it got real dark real quick. So there might not be any outdoor photos of this look, but it's not a bad look on me. I'm a little overdone. My eyes are always a little overdone, but it's not bad, and I don't hate it. I'm having a great time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's do some glamour shots.